So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll cover this lab, that is default of fault tolerance Microsoft Active Directory. So just click on start lab, right click over here and open the console incognito window. Click on I understand. Click on I agree and continue, and just click on it to activate the cloud shell. Now let me change the appearance. Click on continue and just remove this unwanted pop-up. Now watch the video carefully. Click on authorize. That will increase the text size. So first of all, we need to come to the task number 1. So we have to first of all set and export the region and zone. And if you want this yellow check my progress bar, check the video description how to enable check my progress bar. Now just run it to set the region. Now we have to create a VPC network. So just run it over here. Once it is created, come back over here and just add 2 subnets over here. Now add the second subnet. Now from here, create a firewall. Once all these things are created, we have to create a second firewall also. And after that, we'll check the score for task number 1. So let's check the score and come back here in the task number 3, copy it and create our first domain controller. Now once it is successfully created, you can check the score and just come to the second domain controller, export the values and just create it. It will take again few seconds. So finally it's done. Now simply check the score for each and every task, and that's how we completed the lab. So do like the video and subscribe the channel, and have a great day ahead.